Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share and let me show you what I found. Let's start with this one. This is a cute little trinket box. It was $1.25. I have bought one of these before and I'm glad that I found another one. Look, I'm going to put more goodies in there. That's why I picked it up. I was leaning towards picking up a different color, but then at the end, this is the one I wanted. So I now have two of this, but I like the bamboo cover. It is really nice, right? I like it. And it's roomy. There's plenty of room in here, like if you want to put pencils in here, or if you want to throw your pens in there. Look, see? Plenty of space. I like it. So I got that one. And look, I found these too. I picked up 3 of them. And they are called wall decor. So this square one is 3.9. I imagine that's 3.9, the square. And then the whole thing is 12.6 from tip to bottom. See, but I'm after this little piece right here. So I'm going to take it apart. And then I also picked up this one. Look at this one. I love the designs on these. That's why I've been picking them up. So there's that one. And then there's this one. Oh, they're so pretty. I want to make molds out of these so I can, make a mold and then make a stamp. I don't know how well it's going to work out, but we're going to try. I want to give it a try at least. So that's why I picked these up. And then, of course, I will save the beads and reuse the beads somewhere else. But nice, right? I like these. They're so cute. I also picked up another one of these acrylic boards. This is the 4x6. It's a great size for to use as a helper in your shimmies, like when you're shimmying like embossing folder. Like you need that, you got to fill that extra space in the little gadgets, the nifty tools. So I went ahead and picked this one up. I want the larger one too. I have bought the larger one before. I think the larger ones are like 5x7, just a little larger this one. But they didn't have any, all they had was the 4x6. So I went ahead and picked this up. I will be on the watch out to pick up another one of the larger ones also. I also picked up this journal. It says write it down. And it's that green color. I like that green color. And I'm glad I'm able to pull this price off. Look. Ha, look at that. Isn't that neat? I'm happy about that. And this also, I can peel this up. Look. Nice. And it's just called a notebook. And then it's just lined paper. You know what I like about this is the lined paper. It's in like a dark green ink. Usually you see them in black or blue, these lines. This is dark green. I like it. I want to use this very soon. I know I've been saying that for a while. I've been picking up journals. I've been trying to find the right one. So I have a small collection going. Eventually I will find one that will just work fantastically. But in the meantime, I went ahead and picked this up. If I don't use it as a journal, I will still use it as a notebook, or I can disassemble it and use the pages in a journal, right? So I got this one. I only picked up the one they had, I want to say like 3 or 4 different kinds, but they had different words on there. And I believe it came in a different color also. So if you see this at your Dollar Tree, just kind of watch out for the other collection that it comes with. And then these, I believe, are 5x7. I could be wrong. No, they're 6x8. Yeah, it's a 6x8 notebook. I also picked up some stickers. Oh, I like this one, but they only had one. Oh, I want to look at another store to see if I can find another one. Look at this. It's that like a foiled puffy sticker. And it's got the indentations in there. It's nice. Really, really nice. I like this like the window. Or you could use it as a door, right? Put a little knob on there. Oh, imagine how that would look in a journal. It's so cute. And I love the mailbox. Nice. And then you got that window in there. Let me see if I can hold it up. Nope, you really can't. I was kind of thinking you can see through it, but you can't. But so this one, you get 7 pieces. And I hope I find some more of these. They're so pretty. I like those. They also had these. These are butterfly stickers. So let me open these. The first one, you get 9 butterflies, and they're pop-up stickers, and it has that what do you call it, the thick sticky tab. See there, pop-up sticker, is that what they're called? Anyhow, I like these. They're so colorful, and they got glitter on them. I was tempted to pick up a multiple supply. But I'm like, do I really need that many butterflies? I mean, I already have a collection going, so I only picked up 1 each. But so pretty, right? Look at that. Adorableness. Let's see, this one here, this one has 10 stickers. It's the one with the yellow butterflies. You get 10 of these. But look at that. That brown butterfly. Isn't that so pretty? It's adorable. Love that. Oh, and then this one has 11 stickers. And then this is the like an orange butterflies in there. You got purple also. And they're glittered. Aren't they pretty? Oh, somebody put a lot of effort into putting this together for us. I'm quite happy about that one. And then I also picked up this one. This one, you get 10 butterflies. And then these butterflies are gold foil. Can you tell? Yeah, anyways. But they're so pretty. Very, very nice. I'm quite happy about those butterflies. And they're going to go in my butterfly box for future projects. The last item I picked up is this paint set. I have not seen this before. So you get 12 colors. And it's like a metallic paint set. It comes with a cute little tray, or a cover, and the typical Dollar Tree paintbrush, you don't have to use that. But I don't know if you can tell, but see, they're metallic. So if I go like this, well, no, it doesn't come up. I was thinking that it's going to like rub. Oh, this is some good paint. Well, I'm glad I picked it up. Nice. So let's see. It just says paint set, brush included. Oh, I'm going to try this very soon. It's going to look awesome, I think. I want to use it in my journal. Maybe do a little coloring. Nice. Yeah, this is something new at my store. I have not seen this one before. So I'm quite happy I picked this paint set up. Very nice. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up when you go to your Dollar Tree. Like, you know, pick up some more butterflies. Maybe you'll find a metallic paint set. You never know, right? Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.